posture. I can't sit down. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Know that feeling you get when you're about to get your hair done? This video I seen on TikTok. I'm about to get my hair done. I can't even think. I'm about to get my hair done. I can't even think. I can't even think. I can't even think right now. I'm about to get my hair done. Oh my God. Thank you, God. So you know, like you're in a really, really good mood because I'm about to get my hair done. Try me some breakfast from Dunkin'. It's like down the street, so I'm gonna vlog when I get in there. After that, I'm gonna get my toes done. I need me a pedicure real bad. I look crazy, but give me a sec. Then I get my nails done tomorrow. These gotta go. These gotta go. I love the short nails. I had this for like 3 weeks now. I haven't been a short girly in a long time because I like it long. But yeah, I'm so excited. Ah! Right, let me calm down. Got me my camera to vlog. I got me a book to read because it's gonna be here. I'm gonna be here for a little minute, and then I have a vlog that I need to post. It's really, really short, but I'm gonna edit that while I'm in a chair, so I can finish that today and have it up by today. That way, I can post this vlog, have it up ready, like in a timely manner. But I'm gonna read majority of my time. I have like about 40 pages left, so yeah. This is how we look underneath them wigs. Where's my hair?
It's the wig cap.
What? Is the wig cap or is it my head?
I just shaved it all off. Your dream.
I don't think I would do that bad. This is my dream. I'm done. I done cut my hair like 6 times.
I shaved head. Hate to see you coming.
She hates it.
And your mama hate to see it too.
What?
Lord.
But I feel like it makes my head smaller. Like it can't grip the
Girl, please, your head is really not that big already.
But no, doesn't it, like when you cut your hair, like there's not really the grip on the legs feel bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gives you more room.
You know, I didn't know my head was small until the hairstylist told me that. I thought I had a big ass head.
I knew my head was big once the hairstylist told me that. My hairstylist was like, yeah, your hair takes so long.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, y'all. People probably think I show up, ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal poppers, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it you used to be, this shit sleep divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the vibe. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, I'm saying hoes when you stay at. Keep it staying, can't take nothing.
Yes.
Never be a bother if you walk me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got to, I pay that. Get this shit my house, so when I'm old, I can chill if you play that.
I can't even think. All of a sudden, I need to go to Target. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go left, right. I need to go to the gas station.
Real quick.
Don't cheat on your hairstylist, okay? Don't, cause
Alright, sit back in this chair.
I can't sit down. Just got my hair done. Hair done, hair did. Can't even think. Who walked by me? Just got my hair done. I feel really, really cute. Damn, I want to go to Marshall's, but like they're the opposite way because I want to get my toes done, get my nails done tomorrow. But yeah, I love it. It's really, really cute. Side part. I am such a middle part girl, but my hairstylist was like, just do a side part. Let's be different. So yeah, it's cute. Go get these bad boys done. I need a pedicure real bad. Real bad. So let's go do that. I will see y'all when I get there. The worst part about wearing a romper is like you gotta take it all off. But hair looks so good. I can't wait to do my makeup tonight. Eats and body looks so good. Until I miss no meals. Wash your hands. Seconds is way too long. See the way I put my jacket on? Very mindful, very demure. Very cutesy. Yeah, I need to go back.
Oh yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Baby, now I got the flow. 'Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again. Show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried.
Okay, so she went and put this hot towel on me. I thought it was so nice, but it wasn't hot enough. I really wanted it to feel as though it was burning my skin. That's how hot I like it. She was going to put the paint on. I felt skeptical, but it came out really, really cute. Whoever said maintenance was therapeutic, lie. Because I got my hair done, took a couple hours, got my toes done, took another hour, and I'm just tired. I'm drained. I want to lay down, put on a show, and just decompress. I'm so happy my nails are not getting done today because I am tired. I get my nails done tomorrow. I mean, they look decent. It's been like 2 weeks, but they have to go like now. I'm liking the short nails. I feel a little classy, very demure. Let's be mindful. But I kind of want to go a little bit longer. I'm not sure. And then I type all day at work sometimes, so it's just like short nails are the way to go, but I like a little length, okay? I did also film some content inside for TikTok. Filming for YouTube and TikTok. It's just like trying to remember to do both. It's a lot. But I also want to do like a voiceover, but I don't know. Sometimes I be like having like a about my voice because sometimes it's a little raspy. Like my voice. It's turn you on. No, it's a little raspy, but I'm actually learning to love my voice because I heard it's very distinctive. Okay. But it is 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go home, relax, decompress a little bit, and then I'm gonna head out for dinner and some drinks, and maybe, you know, a hookah. I know hookah hate to see me coming. But yeah, let me get going. So I will see y'all maybe when I'm getting ready. I'm also gonna film a get ready for me on TikTok, so follow me on there too. stephyglossd on every single platform: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and IG. Bye. Just got dressed, just finished my makeup. I gotta hurry up and go outside. I look so cute. I feel so cute. Alright, so I just finished my makeup. I filmed the video on TikTok, so I'm excited about that. I'm in a really good mood. I look cute. I feel cute. My makeup looks so freaking good. Like, make some noise. Oh, what the fuck? I hope the audio is working, but it is 7:30. Oh, I got no more space left. 7:30. I definitely have 3 other batteries with me and my other SD card just in case this camera dies because it'd be acting funny. I didn't charge it before I left, but I got the backup for the backups. Backup. Yeah. Little accessories, earrings. My hole was closed on this ear, so I had to re-pierce it back in. Hopefully there's no bump or titty behind it. A cute romper, gold bag, gold accessories, and some gold heels. So yeah, I got like 4 minutes left on this SD card. So let me delete some old footage off here and I'll be back. Your girl is a content creator. And you gotta be with her everywhere she goes with her camera and her flash.
That I had to call my game. I will show you that I win. All those times I said that I love you. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried.
Okay, hey guys. So my audio definitely did play me when I was trying to record. I didn't even know that it was not recording the audio. That sucks so bad. But anyways, I'm just showing y'all my little ear piercings. They're so cute. The one on the top actually really does hurt me so badly, even though I've had it done for like 3 years. Then I'm talking about my voice, how I feel like it's so raspy, but I'm starting to actually love it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm currently at the Dollar Tree right now to get my best friend a few things for her kids for school supplies. They started school on Monday. They live in Baltimore, so they start later than kids in Florida. So I just want to do something nice, get a few things for her kids, and then mail it out to her so she can get it by the time school starts. I'm not even sure what else I was doing out here, but the weather was actually really, really, really bipolar. It was hot, sunny, cold, everything but snowing. But my makeup actually looks really, really good while I'm here. I think I'm just rambling at this point, just so I don't have to get out the car. But I'll see y'all when I'm inside. Bye.
I know you